just saw Sam. He just ran off through my window and I just shut everything. So we're gonna go and surprise Buddy. Don't ask how this is gonna work because I do not know. And it's not even midnight yet. So he is hurrying up. He's got a huge plan for that. Look. Plus he got his stocking. I'm not surprised. He was gonna put it on Buddy's kennel. Santa Paws was. But Buddy was asleep. So Buddy got in trouble. I was told to yell, so I did. But we're gonna go get him. I'm just excited. Okay. It's dark everywhere, so you guys are just gonna have to trust me. See? That doesn't really help. There's like a light on the bottom right here. See? I'm freaked out. Come on. Santa just came. Come on. Go. In there. No. Over here. Look, Buddy. But look. Santa came. Santa said he forgot to unlock it, and so that's creepy. I think he did it. I think Buddy unlocked it. And that's not really a good thing. That means that I have a new kennel, I guess. I don't know. Look, Buddy. Look what Santa Claus gave you. He's super excited. I was gonna do this tomorrow morning, but yeah, he wasn't asleep. He found it. Okay, let me see it. Sorry, guys. The kennel is creepy. Hey, Buddy. Listen to me. You do not open your kennel. You got that? Never open it. Look what Santa Claus gave you too. He's not gonna give you any more. You wanna go to bed? We're gonna go to bed. We're gonna go off to bed now. I gotta take him out though and do all that. But yeah, I'm a little creeped out. So yeah, if I figure it out, then yeah. I'll tell you guys, bye. In fact, I was there. I was supposed to like let him out or whatever. Yeah, because Santa Claus was gonna ask me that in. So yeah, bye. Go get your presents. If you think you're gonna get the phone, you're not. Go get your presents. Look what Santa Claus gave you. No, this is what Mama got you. No, Santa Claus. Yeah, Santa Claus got this one. I got you the other gift balls. Sorry, everyone. Oh my gosh, these stink. Buddy, you got keys to the... Okay. Okay. Bye. Buddy, you got keys to the apartment? That is so unusual. Why would Santa Claus give you keys to the freaking apartment? These people. Buddy? Buddy? Check it out. If he likes these, I'm gonna keep buying these. Yeah, they're from Dingo. He also gave you a bone. At least these keys won't work. Here's this. So good. Are you happy? Hey everyone, it's me, Christopher. Hey everyone, it's me. Again, I did get some gifts. I'm going to show you guys everything that first what Buddy got, then what I got for Christmas. And I'm supposed to be getting a card tomorrow. I'm going to show it. Buddy was really excited, and I know that it was like mainly me opening presents, and that didn't really seem so good. So I'm sorry about that, but yeah, I showed him tonight, like 11 p.m. after Santa, because I heard Santa come in and stuff, and we both did, and he was not asleep, so I was like, come on buddy, let's go see what Santa left you. So we got that taken care of. I was super excited on my shoulder right here, and then third process on this. My grandmother wants this shirt too, and she said that she's gonna make my mom get it, but I don't know if my mom's going to. It's just white right here, but I don't care. I wore it today so that I could go for the Christmas party. I was going to wear like one